Hello and welcome to STEM with the Houston Public Library. I'm Miss Jolie, and today we are going to be experimenting with colored shadows. This activity is intended for ages 5 and up. For this experiment, you will need a dark room, a white wall, 3 flashlights, 3 rubber bands, Play-Doh, a pencil, and red, green, and blue cellophane. Rubber band each color cellophane over a different flashlight to create 3 different colors of light. Use a small amount of Play-Doh to stand the pencil vertically on the floor or a table 3 inches in front of a white wall. Place the flashlights 12 inches from the wall and 2 inches apart from each other. Turn off all the lights except the blue flashlight. Is the pencil's shadow dark? Yes. Now try it with just the red light. Is the pencil's shadow dark with just the red light? Yes. Now try it with just the green light. Is the pencil's shadow dark with just the green light? Yes. Turn on the blue and green flashlights. How many shadows are there and what colors are they? 2. 1 blue and 1 green. Let's repeat this with different combinations. Red and green. How many shadows do you see and what color are the shadows? 2. 1 red and 1 green. Red and blue. How many shadows do you see and what color are the shadows? 2. 1 red and 1 blue. A dark shadow can be colored by a second light source. The shadow being cast by the red light is colored by the blue light, and the shadow cast by the blue light is being colored by the red light. The same is true of the other combinations we tried. So what happens if we use all 3 lights? How many shadows do you see and what color are the shadows? 3. 1 magenta, 1 yellow, and 1 cyan. Did the colors of the shadows surprise you? What do you think is happening to create the colors you see? The red light and the green light are both shining on the shadow created by the blue light. When you add red light to green light, it makes yellow. Thus, the shadow is yellow. The same is happening with the red and green light's shadow. Green and blue light make cyan. Red and blue light make magenta. If you would like to read more about this experiment and others like it, the book I learned this from is on the screen. This book is in our collection and available for checkout. We hope you enjoyed creating colored shadows with us today. Don't forget to take pictures of your experiment and share them with us on social media using hashtag #ILoveHPL. Thank you for joining us for STEM at the Houston Public Library. We hope to see you all again soon. Bye!